So I'm going to be installing a Versamag water meter and Tahama Electronics transmitter into this area right here. I already have the water going to drain the unit, so I'm going to turn the water off, give it a minute to drain. So I can release the pressure from the line so there's not water spraying out from this pipe when I open it. You might be able to hear it, it's right there. Alright, so it's stopped. So I'm gonna take off the old spacer tube, catch the water in my mud pan so it doesn't go everywhere. Just let it drain out. So I took out the old spacer tube, the placeholder that the plumber installs, and then I'm putting in the meter just where that was located. And I have washers, these little black rings that are in here to help seal the connection. You screw it in. You do hand tight, so as tight as you can get it with your hands. And you do a quarter turn with your channel locks. And then you take the transmitter, you connect it to the meter so I can get reads. And I take the zip tie, attach it. Then you just open it back up. Make sure it's not leaking, and you're done.